Meron siya bagong kalingawan. Yeah? So, yang is that how to close it? Ay, Batman! Nanapon siya bagong collection. Open daw yung Batman, nak. Kaya nagbida-bida na po sa daddy. Nakapaldo na po siya Batman. Uy, look at the head. Wow, what's in the head, nak? In his heart. Wow, that's for the bat.
Mom, you know what the boulder for?
Huh?
Do you know Batman bolt?
Uy, Batman bomb pa. Wow. Did you get a swing in there on the side? Oh, you can open there. What's in there? What's that whole thing? Like yellow thing. Oy, that's where he do his Batmobile? Kana yung Batmobile ko na niya na sila kasi birthday. Wow, nice. Ezekiel. What's in there?
Where's the key?
Where's the key? Wow, you got a knock ball. What's in there? The ball inside, in that thing.
No, you only play for these books. We need to go with you.
Yeah. And can you help me the ball in there? It's like this one is for, what you call those things?
Okay, where you put
Like billiards, right? Billiards. Wow. Lot of bre. Kunin na mo siya, nakita nila mo siya sa thrift store. Hindi, nagkatkat si Ezekiel. Ngayos yung daddy kita sa Batman. Ngayon, ayun. Wow. Hoy. Si Matias dira, oh.
on the way.
Ball on the loose. So what's on the side, not the yellow thing with the swing?
Yes.
The swing, yeah?
I'll get Batman's training.
Oh, did he do exercise in there?
I don't even know what to do.
That's really cool. Good find, Ezekiel.
Maybe let's
Good find in the thrift store. Wow.
Stop one day.
So na siya na, ngayon nakuha na. Palito na siyang amahan. Maskin not sale. Bye na yun. Ay, saan man. Basta mag-good boy. Bye, Jod. You can move it?
Why is that okay?
Cool. It's like tiny robots in there, huh?
Okay, one that okay. Is it for cleaning car?
Cleaning car.
Or I don't even know what it is.
Open it. Wow.
I don't know.
What's inside? Nothing in it?
Maybe it's kind of broken.
Maybe that's kind of like his wardrobe. Like where he put his clothes on. Because it looks like cabinet or drawer. Ezekiel, it's bigger than you when you sit down. Yeah?
But I'm bigger than you.
I know. You're taller. But when you sit down, it looks like very big. Yeah? Yung siya. Naano siya sa kuan. Collection of kuan action figures. Kita niya sa Batman, big Batman. Nakatik-atik din siya sa iyang daddy. Buy daw niya. Yeah, katik-atik ko na bida-bida. Bida-bida-bida. Oh, there's elevator? Wow. Naguna-una ko mga nag-post ko sa nag-post ko sa elevator kay nag-thinking na escalator or elevator? Elevator.
What even are you?
Which one?
Look, you can
Oh, there's a button in there.
I will
Nice.
never know up until you go this.
Yeah. Sumunang sa Batman. Batman. Kasi wala ang sulod sa iyang tiyan. Batman,
It's hard
Batman.
to find that. But it doesn't.
Is that the Batmobile? Okay, close na yung Batman. Close the Batmobile.
Okay.
Close the Batmobile. Nice. Woohoo!
By the way,
Yay.
not all the way.
Yeah, that's okay.